Actually, no, ang daming ano, look at the crowd, no, daming nanonood, no. So, hindi nila problema magising ng maaga. So, if everybody is used to wake up early for this competition. Exciting ang ano event no? 800. This is an exciting event. Sa mga nakakaalam kung gaano kahirap ang 800-meter event. Full of action, full of excitement. Nakaka-nervyo sa mga hindi sanay. But if you know the event, exciting to. Ang daming tactical understanding. Yan na, last lap for the boys. Under 18, 800 meters. So far, dikit-dikit eh. Usually, ganyan naman talaga ang 800 meters. Nagkakapaan yan. Going to the last 300. Ayan na, dyan nag-uumpisa na ang kanilang pacing. Going to the last 200. Ayan na, down the stretch na to. Makikita na natin kung sino ang totoo at sino ang pangit naman sabihin nagpe-pretend, but they're all competitors. Hindi madali ang 800 meters.
Lakas ha? Lakas ha?
Doro runaway yung leading. Mahabol yung second. Close ang third, fourth, fifth. Later kuha tayo ng mga information about those boys. Sino nga ba nagsabing mahirap ang 800? Ang daming entries.
Oo, no?
Oo,
Surprisingly.
oo, sabi nilang